Hey everyone, welcome back to Treenas Tech Channel. Today, we're tackling two of the hottest topics in tech, Python programming and machine learning. Whether you're just starting out or looking to up your game, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why learn Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages out there. Why? Because it's easy to learn, versatile, and used everywhere, from web development to data science, AI, and automation. So if you're a beginner, Python is the perfect language to start with. It's beginner-friendly and has a ton of resources. Let's take a quick look at what makes Python stand out. One of Python's biggest strengths is its libraries. Whether you're working on data manipulation with pandas, scientific computing with NumPy, or even building AI models with TensorFlow, Python has you covered. Section 2. Python Basics You Should Know. Let's quickly run through some essential Python basics. The first thing you need to know is that Python uses clean, readable syntax. No need for semicolons or complicated brackets. You'll start with things like variables, loops, and conditionals. Here's a simple example of a Python function that adds two numbers together. Functions in Python are super easy to define, using the def keyword. The indentation matters. This makes the code neat and readable. You can see the function takes two numbers, adds them, and then prints the result. Section 3. Introduction to machine learning. Now that you've got a taste of Python, let's move on to something exciting: machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI where machines learn from data to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed for every task. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. But today, we're focusing on supervised learning, which is the most beginner-friendly. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on labeled data. Let's say you're building a machine learning model to predict house prices. You provide the algorithm with historical data, like the size of the house, number of bedrooms, and previous sale prices. The model learns the relationship between these features and prices, allowing it to make predictions on new data. Section 4. Building a simple machine learning model in Python. Now, let's build a simple machine learning model using Python. We'll use the popular scikit-learn library, which makes it easy to get started. Here is a simple Python machine learning model. Here's what's happening. We load the Boston housing dataset, split it into training and testing data, and use a linear regression model to predict house prices based on the features. Scikit-learn makes it easy to train, test, and even evaluate your model. And just like that, you've built your first machine learning model in Python. From here, you can experiment with different algorithms, tweak parameters, and improve the model's accuracy. Section 5. How to continue your AI journey. Now that you've got the basics down, where do you go from here? Well, the AI journey is never ending, but there are tons of resources to help you along the way. Coursera's Machine Learning by Andrew Ng, one of the best courses to get deeper into machine learning. Kaggle, a platform to practice your skills and enter real-world data science competitions. Fast.ai, great for learning about deep learning and building more advanced models. Python.org, to learn more about Python libraries and projects. Keep practicing, building projects, and learning more advanced concepts like deep learning and reinforcement learning. The more you apply what you've learned, the faster you'll grow in this field, and there you have it. Today we covered the basics of Python programming and even built a simple machine learning model. Now, it's your turn to get hands-on. Try building your own projects, explore new datasets, and see where Python can take you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.